So good morning everyone, myself Prajwali, and today I am going to give us extempore speech on the topic how automation is affecting the blue collar job.
A very good morning to all on this ravishing morning. My name is Nancy Kharayat. Today my topic is, should we ban the corporal punishment in school or not?
Everyone, today I, Harshita Tanwar, is going to deliver a speech on should espionage should
Afternoon
be a
everyone, my name is Neeraj and the topic that I have been given is the role of cryptocurrency in the modern economics.
With the people and we just suited them, this become another crime.
The countries which are organizing the Olympics or the Commonwealth Games, they have an advantage.
Today my topic is, should surrogacy be banned or regulated?
Hey everyone, my name is Dipali Riyang and I'm going to speak on the topic called should there be any limit on
these things of an index of hunger. So it's the main reasons of.
Good morning all of you. Today I would like to share with you
share some details regarding the military drones as well as some fighters.